Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be unboxing my Christmas and birthday gifts and I can't wait to show them to you. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And please follow me on my Instagram, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I will start with Cartier, and this is a replacement item that I used to have in my collection, but unfortunately it was stolen from me, and I'm so happy that I have it again. This is a Cartier Clash ring in a standard size. It is in a pink gold, and I got this one in a size 50, just like before. I'm just so happy that I have it in my collection again. I really missed it. Actually, I unboxed it earlier and I worn it for Christmas and in a few of my vlogs because I really had to have it. I just wanted to wear it as much as possible. It's so beautiful, and I realized that it looks a bit more pink than the ring that I used to have. I got my previous ring in 2020 and I literally worn it non-stop, and sometimes I even worn it at home. And I think it either got a little bit more yellow or the new batch is more pink. Either way, I'm just so happy that I have it in my collection again. I previously reviewed this ring and I'll link down that vlog for you guys in case you want to check it out. I prefer to actually wear it on this finger these days. It feels very comfortable and I just love this look. But it fits on this easily. I wear it on the middle finger quite often as well. And sometimes I get questions whether the ring is too thick, but I have to say it feels quite comfortable. I would recommend to come to the store and try it on because there are two sizes. There is thinner version and the standard. I prefer the standard. Sometimes I also wear this ring on my thumb. I quite like this look. It also feels quite comfortable. By the way, the price on the ring in Singapore has increased by about $200 since 2020, which is not that bad. Moving on to my Van Cleef & Arpels gift, and I'll show you the items that it came with. It came with this booklet, and inside there is some information and care instructions, and there is also a certificate of authenticity. I was also given this pouch, which is quite useful, especially when traveling, and sometimes it's easy to bring it to the bank and store it there. After my ring got stolen, I'm a little bit paranoid. Here is the receipt, and I actually pre-ordered it before the price increase, so I was able to save on it a bit, which is great. The price went up by $1,000 or maybe even more. I would not want to overpay for it. And here is cleaning fabric, which is quite important, especially for white mother of pearl. Alright, let's begin our unboxing. This is actually one of the biggest boxes that I have received with my purchases. I'm glad that I have it in my collection now. I will not store this necklace in this huge box. I'll probably keep it in a pouch because it's easier to transport it and also keep in a safe. I actually featured this necklace in my top 5 jewelry items wishlist video, which I will link down for you guys in case you want to check it out. And it was on a first place. But now I probably can replace the #1 position with Bulgari Serpenti bracelet in pink, gold and diamonds. Here it is, my 16 motif magic Alhambra necklace in white mother of pearl and yellow gold. It's so beautiful, and I absolutely love different sizes of motifs. They are so stunning. I'm just obsessed with white mother of pearl, and I'm so happy that I was able to expand my collection. My goal to eventually collect 2 or 3 more pieces in white mother of pearl in yellow gold from VCA. And then I think I'll be done with this stone, because then I will collect the most beautiful pieces. By the way, guys, just look at these colors. I can see pink, I can see green, I can see white, orange. So pretty. I actually have a rule that I typically take a few months to make my decision. Sometimes it can take from 6 to 12 months, but this time it was so much faster. I came to the store with my friend. I had no intention to purchase anything, and I just saw this necklace. It's so stunning. I saw it before, but I didn't really consider it for myself, but then I tried it on. I just had to have it. It's so flattering, and I think it's so special. And also I was told that it's quite hard to get, and apparently it's not available for pre-order unless there is existing stock in the country. There were actually 2 in Singapore in 2 different branches, but I came back to my sales associate and purchased it from her. I absolutely love the way it looks with long jackets. It's so flattering. Actually, I have quite a few long tweed jackets, and I know it's going to look fantastic with them. I'm so obsessed with it. It's so beautiful and so special. I just love how my magic Alhambra earrings look with this necklace. Just the perfect combination. I also like to wrap it around my neck like that. It's such a stunning look as well. I would probably wear it with shorter jackets like that, or with different tops and maybe even sweaters. Even with the dress, it would look quite nice. Such a beautiful necklace. I'm glad that I was able to pull the trigger and get it. If I didn't, I would regret for sure. I also like this in between the fingers ring. It's so pretty, and I think it would look amazing with the earrings and with my 16 motif necklace. It's stunning. I still have quite a few pieces on my wish list from Cleef Arpels. It's just one of my most favorite brands, and I like so many beautiful creations. By the way, guys, I have recently posted my full jewelry collection vlog, and I'll link it down for you guys in case you want to have a look. This is it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!